Have your property insurance rates skyrocketed in the past few years, and especially in the last 12 months? Have you been canceled by your insurance company and then left you with having to find another insurance carrier quickly? Well, you will be surprised to discover the reason why this is happening and what is being done. In addition, in this video, I will give you information on what to do and what the state of Florida is doing to help property owners navigate this insurance crisis, which starts right now. I'm sure you think that this insurance crisis is caused by the storms in Florida, and especially the year that we have just had with a major hurricane on the west side of the state and another hurricane 43 days later on the east side of the state. Well, that's false. Insurance companies manage this risk. It's been going on for decades, and our insurance had remained pretty stable. This current insurance crisis is man-made, and currently lawsuits against insurance companies are the culprit. Yes, you heard me correctly. Lawsuits are the culprit. So what is happening? I understand these issues as I work in real estate every day. My name is Maria Wells, and I'm on the Treasure Coast of Florida. So if you find this information valuable, please hit the subscribe and the bell to receive my videos released every Tuesday, where I have all sorts of real estate information. Did you know that Florida homeowner insurance is 3 times the amount than the national average? And you're probably looking at me and saying, yes, I just got my bill. I really get it. Well, Florida represents just 8% of all insurance claims in the U.S., yet we represent, and listen to this number, 79% of all lawsuits in the entire United States. And that is what is killing the insurance market in Florida. Insurance, as you all probably know, has more than doubled statewide in the last 12 months. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what fraudulent lawsuits have to do with insurance premiums? So here it is, to the point, a description. The roofs in Florida are nearing the end of their useful life, as most were replaced in 2005 when we had that slew of hurricanes that came through our state. So roofing companies are now knocking at doors, telling owners that they can get them a free replacement roof. Well, how can that be? Because nothing is really free, right? What roofing companies are doing is they are identifying a particular area that there may have been a storm a few years ago and only lasted for maybe one day. And they know that these homeowners will qualify if they made a claim on their insurance to get a new roof. Well, to make this short and straightforward, a claim is presented to the insurance company and the insurance company denies it because they don't feel that it is something that they should pay for that occurrence. Well, then the roofers who want this business hire a lawyer who makes a fraudulent lawsuit, and then at that point, the insurance company has to accept that claim, costing the insurance company not only the cost of a new roof, but legal fees. This is happening by the thousands. These claims are absolutely killing the insurance industry, and in turn, this hurts you and I as homeowners and home affordability. As of this video, 9 insurance carriers have gone into receivership. That is not good. So what does a homeowner do when they get a letter from their insurance company that they are being canceled? Homeowners are being forced to go typically with Citizens, a state-run insurance company known as the insurer of last resort, creating a heavy burden for everyone in Florida because right now there are so few other choices. And that insurance used to be a lot less than other insurance, but because of what's occurring, that's not inexpensive either. And Citizens right now, they are adding more than 6,000 policies a week. 6,000. To give you a great example, in 2020, Citizens Insurance had less than 500,000 policies. Now let's fast forward to today. In November of 2022, they have over 1.2 million policies, and we need to reduce this risk for all of us that live in Florida. It's not a good situation because, as I said, it is state-owned. So everyone in Florida, whether you have insurance through them or not, will be assessed if we have a catastrophic weather event, and they have 2 ways to determine how they would be able to get this assessment. First, they would go to their policyholders for an assessment, and then second, they can go out to the public, that's you, me, who are not with citizens and assess our homeowners insurance, and they can even place this assessment on our automobile insurance to cover the losses. You can see how tough this is going to be and why we have to address this crisis. There was one session with the legislators this past spring for the insurance crisis to address this issue. Governor DeSantis is very aware of what is going on. Out of that session came a rewrite of rules for roof replacement. Some of the options for the insurance companies is a higher deductible just for a roof replacement not caused by a storm. They also included a shorter time frame for a claim to be made. I don't know what that is, but instead of something being 2, 3, 4 years down the line, it has to be submitted to the insurance company quickly. And the other thing that they did was if a roof is 15 years old, an inspection must be done to show that the roof has at least 5 years of life remaining. Even with that, insurance companies are finding it out to not insure a property with an older roof. And you can sort of understand why, right? Companies don't want to take the risk of having to pay for legal fees and all these new roofs. Our insurance is not for everyone, you, and you, to get a new roof. Take this note here. When you are looking at the age of a roof, if you're looking at a home to purchase, don't ask how long is a roof expected to last by the manufacturer. Ask how long it will be insured. A gigantic difference. It's really the golden rule. The company with the money wins, and that is the insurance company. So you can't go 15 or 20 or 30 years, the manufacturer says on the roof. The state of Florida and the insurance companies are saying 15 years. So if you're buying a home that has a roof that is 12 years old, you really need to consider, most likely, at least until this gets fixed, a new roof is going to have to happen, and it's something you may want to negotiate with a seller as you go to contract. This is not a good situation. Governor DeSantis is calling another special session next month to address this issue. There are a lot of ideas out there, don't know what's going to happen, but everything is on the table. Are you having insurance issues? I would like to hear them. Let me know below if your policy has gone up in price or if you've been canceled, because that's going to help me, who gets the word out up to our legislators, to see what kind of pain you're feeling so we can get this situation hopefully under control. So remember to subscribe and hit the bell to receive my videos released every Tuesday. It will be painful for a couple of years. However, I am confident we will correct this issue. Florida is resilient, and we will find solutions for this to never happen again. Well, let's watch this video to see how the Florida real estate market is doing. And until next time, see you later.